Hello, and I'm just going to show you one of my smoke machines I've just got. This is it. It is called a Chauvet Hurricane 700. Just going to open it and show you. There's the manual. There's your controller for your smoke. Well, you know what that is, wouldn't you? A pint of fog fluid. Your bracket. Your bolts. Just tie that up with it. And that's just the smoke machine. There's the back of it. And there's your reservoir. And you got the remote, the power, and then there's a little window here to see how much fluid you've got in it. There's the front end of it. So right, just gonna open the reservoir. So there's nothing in it. What I do is plug it up first. Plug it in. Remote. Plug it in. And what I'm going to do is just put a bit of fluid in it. As you can see, that's how much I've got. I'm just going to put a bit in it. I don't know how much you need. And that's how much I've got left. What, another half the tank of it. And then what you do is you let it heat up. Now it's done. That'll go green. And as you can see, he's puffing a bit of smoke out. See, it's going to be heating up, isn't it? And then, as it's heated up, as I'll show you, he's the smoke machine. And then come over here. There's a bit of smoke. There's a puff. I'll play a bit of music. It's filling up my room now. One second, I'm just going to turn off my lights. This is one puff, like pressing it once, but if you hold it down, you get quite a lot. And there's my lights, and as you can see, it's gone off now because I've used it all up. My room's covered, full of smoke. There it is. Really enjoyed it.